let's get it. An interesting moment last night during the Celtics game. Jayson Tatum called for a defensive foul. He claps afterwards, and then he was given a technical foul for the clapping. Stephen A., was this tech justified?
Hell no. It is, listen, Adam Silver is right for the most part when he talks about we don't need to be focused on the officiating as much. People need to stop complaining about that. I get that part. But stuff like that is why you do it. It's excessive. There's nothing that Jayson Tatum did that warrants a technical foul in that situation. He did nothing. The man is averaging nearly 32 a game. He is a superstar in this league. And you're giving him text over what? Because he clapped his hand? Because he was disappointed in himself? You clearly thought that he was being disappointed in your call.
Yeah.
The point is, all he did was clap his hand and walk away. And you're going to give him a text for that?
Yeah.
That makes us look at officiating because you're just trying to curtail all emotions from the game. Just eradicate it from the game. That's not how basketball is played. That's ridiculous. That call is just asinine. Makes no sense whatsoever at all.
Yeah, as you can see by the tweet,
ridiculous.
KD co-signing on that one. Let me hit you with one more here, Stephen A. So the Bucks got trounced by the Hawks. That was 121-106. Giannis returned after a 2-game absence. He dropped 27, but Drew Holiday missed his 3rd straight game dealing with that ankle. Are you concerned about the Bucks' health?
Health, but that's all. The fact of the matter is Drew Holiday didn't play. Chris Middleton has been out all year. The reality is that come playoff time, both are expected to be back and ready to go. And Milwaukee has graduated to a point that's where we're concerned about. Giannis is so phenomenal. We ain't even worried about them during the regular season. They'll win enough, just get to the postseason healthy. That's all we care about. These games, fine, enjoy it. The Hawks are good, though. I love DeJounte Murray and Trae Young and what I'm seeing from them.
All right, so no concerns there. But as for Vegas, there are concerns.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.